Hello students, today we are going to learn how to draw human figures in one point perspective. I know you all feel drawing a human figure is quite difficult, but let's try it out in simple steps, and I'm sure by the end of the video you won't feel that difficult. So let's try it out. First, draw an eye level at the 1/3 of the page, and then draw a structure of a wall, height and the length. As we have learned in the previous video how to draw a room, we are following the same steps in this video as well. Now I'm drawing 4 diagonal lines from the point at 4 corners. You can see now the room is created. Now I'm just extending horizontal line and vertical line, extending the room. And now you can see I'm drawing a diagonal lines from the point at 2 walls, flooring and ceiling. Now you can see the room is created. The diagonal line which I have drawn are the guidelines to draw cuboid. Now let's start drawing an cuboids at eye level. If you see, I'm drawing a cuboid a little above the eye level, simply drawing by horizontal and vertical line. And the depth I'm merging into a diagonal line. Now you can see the cuboid is formed. Another smaller cuboid I'm drawing at eye level, back of the front cuboid. Similarly, I'm drawing all the cuboids at eye level. As I'm drawing a bigger size of the cuboid is getting cut into a half. I'm drawing a darker lines over it just to make it more visible. Now you can see all the cuboids are formed. As you all know, the human figure proportion is 7.5. So we will be dividing the cuboid into 7.5 parts. I have made a separate video of a human figure in 7.5 proportion. You can refer that video. Now we are drawing the human figures inside the cuboid. Start drawing a geometrical figure. Now let's start drawing a head in the first part. Along with that, a neck and shoulders. Chest will be at the second part. Third part is the navel. Fourth part is the crotch and wrist. 5.5 is the knee. Seventh part starts with the feet. Now you can see the cylindrical figure is made. One thing you have to make sure in drawing a human figures that all the heads of the figure should be at eye level. As per the height of the boxes, you can see the head size is getting smaller, but the proportion will remain same, which is 7.5, as we have divided all the cuboids into 7.5 part. Similarly, I am drawing in all the boxes. Side pose of the figure. Now let's draw a side pose of the figure. Now let's draw some details to the geometrical figure. As soon as the drawing gets complete, we have to erase the cuboid blue box. Now let's draw some details to the geometrical figure. We have to erase the cuboid blue box. Now let's give a details to the side face. Wherever there are joints in the human body, you will see the folds of a clothes. Let's give some details to the figures. Now I'm drawing a female figure here along with the kid. The height of the kid is smaller, so head will not be at the eye level. You can see I have drawn it below eye level. But I think similarly now you got an idea how to draw human figures at eye level. This was the example of drawing a human figure in one-point perspective in the interior. Similar way you can draw it in the exterior. You can see in the one-point perspective, the figures are front, back and the side poses. But whereas in two-point perspective, you can see the human figure in 1/3 pose, which we will be understanding how to draw it in the next video.